In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Google Maps to create a map and embed in the map pins a YouTube video. I'm going to assume that you have already got a YouTube account and a Google account, and that I'm not going to show you how to do that because I'm sure you know how to do it yourself. So what we're going to do is, once you've created your Google account for Google Maps, I'm going to sign in. So here I'm going to sign in now, and just waiting for Google to start up. I'm going to sign in with my Google Maps account. So I've signed into my Google Maps account, my Google account, and the first thing we need to do is we need to create a new map, and in other words, our or my map. And if we click on My Maps here, click here, My Maps, it's loading, and it will show a list of maps that I've already created, and I'm going to create a new map. So if we look at this option here called Create a New Map, that will allow us to create a map that's bespoke for us. So, but first of all, I want to get to roughly my location. So I'm going to I'm going to create a map with Tamaki Drive, and here we go. We've got a map called Tamaki Drive here with something already in it, but I'm going to create, zoom out slightly, I'm going to create my own map. So as I say, I'm going to go to My Maps, let's click on My Maps, create a new map, and instantly you'll notice that other stuff goes away. So I'm going to call this Amazing Journeys. And this is going to be so I've given my map a title. I'm going to make it look a bit better than this. Journeys, Amazing Journeys. And now over here you can see we've got map pins. I can create different regions, or I'm going to use these map pins here. So I'm just going to zoom out of this. I'm going to click on my map pin, and when I click on it, in the background you see a little map pin appear with an X underneath it, and I'm going to place it on Tamaki Drive exactly where I want it. So I'm going to put it just here. That looks like it's at Coe, I think. It might be Mission Bay. Yes, Mission Bay. Click there. Right, now what you can see here is a whole new box that comes up, and you can just type text in here if you wish to, and I'm going to call this Amazing Journey Video. And if you can look on the box here, what's currently I can just put plain text in here, or rich text, which allows you to put hyperlinks in if you wanted to link to something else. But we're going to be interested in edit HTML here. So I'm going to click on edit HTML, and nothing much changes, but I also want to change the look and feel of my pin. So before we go any further, I'm going to click on my pin, and there are some icons that you can choose from. These are the default icons. So because it's about me cycling, I'm going to choose a cycling pin, and I'm going to go and get my video now that I want to embed in this marker from YouTube. Now I've already got to the YouTube site that I want to get to, So I'm going to click on this tab up here and jump to the next page. So amazing journeys here. Here's a video I made with a video camera strapped to my bicycle and on my journey to work. So here is the video I want to take, and I want to put it into my map, and I need to click on the embed code here. So just click on that, copy it. I've copied it. Hopefully, let's do it again just to make sure. And I come back to my Google map here, and actually we're making sure we're still on edit HTML, that's in black, very important. Click here and I paste it, and I click OK. And now in my map I have this code here. Click OK, but nothing much has happened. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the Done button. Click Done. And our amazing journey video, if we click on this now, hopefully what you see now that we've saved it, is that you can see in my map is an embedded Google YouTube video in a Google map. And what is more, you can now embed this map, if you choose to, into another place like a wiki or a blog. And to do that, you simply click on the link option here, click link, and you can customize and preview embedded map. So we click on this. This is a bit big, so I'm just going to rescale this for you so you can see what's going on. Now clearly this video here, this view is far too zoomed out, so we just zoom in till we get the video that we want. I'm going to keep going in. Cycling video. Whoops. Let's move this over to here. Move in a bit more. That looks good. And all we need to do now, so this is what this picture here is what our embedded map will look like in our blog or our wiki. And now we can just simply copy this text here and embed it into our wiki. So I'll just minimize this, and if we go to Google Learning Tutorials here, I'm going to click on Tutorials, and I'm going to embed this map into the Google Learning wiki, and I'm simply going to edit this page, and I'm going to click under YouTube here, and by clicking on the television widget here, click here, I'm going to click on Other, right down here, click Other, and I'm going to paste that code that I copied from the Google map, click Save, and click Save up here. And then if we look at our wiki, we'll see an embedded video, and then right down here you'll see that embedded map that we wanted to look at. And if we click on this link here, if I click on the icon, we'll see our video embedded in the map, which is all good stuff. And that, very simply, is how you get or create a map pin in Google Maps. Scrolled in too far. And embedding something from YouTube. Very simple, very effective.